Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop Microsoft Edge from running in the background in Windows 10. So first of all, you just have to go to your Microsoft Edge Chromium browser here, and then you just have to go to your three-dot menu here in the right corner here. Click on it, and then you have to go to the settings here. Click on settings. After opening the settings, in the left here you can see there's an option called system. Click on system here, and you can see underneath the system here there's an option continue running background apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. So if you have turned that on here, you just have to toggle it off here. So now the Microsoft Edge is now stop running in the background. So that's it guys, this is how you stop Microsoft Edge running in the background. This is a very easy simple tutorial for you. So I hope you found this video helpful. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.